Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm just gonna bring in another part of this update right now. So if you guys are not in the Discord, join me into the Discord because I've just made a text that we could go to 37k out of a bear flag. So that's out of this thing. Now I'm on the 1 hour time frame here. So what happened is that you're actually going down just like that, and you made one bear flag like this one. So basically that's a bearish pattern, and we're looking to actually to dump even way more down. So basically this can take you nearly from there to there, like to the 36,000, 37,000 region areas, and that's actually quite bad at this point of time. It's just how it is, and that's the reason why I'm bringing this critical update for the second part. And right now what you're doing is you're potentially in the 4 hour time frame as well, putting an evening star. So basically we are having some bearish patterns right now right there, and this line that you're looking right now, if I turn off the log scale, basically it seems like you lost the line out of a log scale. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna redraw this like this, and I was just observing the line. So basically this line, if you actually put it this way, you've actually lost the line, and you're actually retesting this trend line, and you're losing this trend line all in all. So this is how it looks like, and that's just how it is, just like that. All right, so if you actually see it, this is the wick right there, this is another wick right here, and what happened is that if I actually zoom in into this particular area right now, all you did is you actually broke below it, and you've been having the kiss of death right there, and you're looking to dump to the downside.